Sisi's pinataas pa ni Maribang kanyang signing bonus from 75 to 175 pesos na if you use my referral code. Limited offer lang to. Watch this video. Hi Sisi, this is Trixie and I usually talk about personal finance, and you can now get a 75 pesos signing bonus if you open an account this October and save 1,000 pesos using my referral code TrixieB. Dati, 75 pesos lang ang signing bonus nila using my link, pero dahil nagta-transition sila from Cbank to Maribank, may mga limited offer sila. Grab this opportunity mga sisis, kasi pag marami ng mga user nag-Maribank, pababa na naman yung signing bonus. So, open an account now, save 1,000 pesos, and use my referral code TrixieB. At alam mo ba na itinaas din nila yung interest per annum from 3.5% to 4%. So, the more you save, the more you earn. Limited offer lang to mga sisi ha. Paano? All you have to do is download the app, use my referral code TrixieB, save 1,000 pesos, and wait for 3 days to reflect the signing bonus of 175 pesos. Okay, go na sis!